Already set. What we are going to do today? We are at JB, Johor Bahru, nearby Ulucho. But today we'll be focusing on the active tracking. Okay. During this time, my active tracking is not working. At this point of time, I set a box around my motorcycle and I'm ready. I ride on the bike and I thought it's going to be alright. And once I got on the bike, it does not track me. The box is lost, and I tried again. Once again, I applied the box on myself and I tried getting on bike, and again, once I got onto the bike, it's just lost. It lost me. It's so frustrating. Okay, never mind, just let it be first. Move to the next point, and again. Okay, this time the active tracking is on me, right? And it's clearly working. While I was walking, it follows me, and I tried to bring up to prevent any vehicles from hitting the drone. Okay, once it's set on the right height, I'm ready to go. Okay, the active tracking is still activated. I'm ready. Yeah, let's go and try. When I move forward at this point of time, the drone does not move back. I'm not sure why. Maybe I thought that if I move away from the drone, it will follow me. But it does not. Well, it's a hot day and I don't think I'm going to continue with this. Okay, we're going to try that again on my motorbike. And thank you for watching. I hope I got to solve this and get to capture me, my wife and my bike, okay, using the drone to capture the scenery and the landscape. Thank you.